Everyone, this is Michael Trithart, International Technology Instructor. We have another power session coming to Chicago Title on Wednesday, June 22nd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Lunch is included on this. Total cost is $30. It's also going to earn you 3 hours of TREC CE credit, but the class is open to everybody. Real estate agents, people in your database, affiliates of yours, anybody and everybody that wants to learn how to improve their business, come on in, because this is a class called Generate More Leads for Free. The records for this class, an $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. I had somebody else get 63 listings in 1 hour. And then I had somebody else get 1,500 leads in about 10 minutes for their database. These are all techniques that you're going to do on Wednesday, June 22nd. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet. I'll see you at Chicago Title off of Preston Road. Make sure an RSVP for this class so they know how many are coming, and be ready to add to your business. See you then.